Hey there! I bought and tested these tea tree oils so you don't have to waste your money. If you're looking for something that actually works for your hair, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and find the best options out there.
Product number 1. Up Nature Tea Tree Oil. When I first got my hands on the Up Nature Tea Tree Oil, I was curious about its claims. This 100% pure, USDA-certified organic tea tree oil promises to be a game changer for not just hair, but skin and nails too. The first thing that struck me was the scent. It's fresh and earthy, a true testament to its organic roots. I started by adding a few drops to my shampoo, as suggested. Instantly, I noticed a refreshing tingle on my scalp that felt invigorating. After a few weeks of consistent use, I realized my hair felt stronger and more nourished. The dryness that plagued my scalp seemed to diminish, leading to less itching and flaking. I also experimented with diluting it with coconut oil for a scalp massage, which was heavenly. The versatility of Up Nature's tea tree oil is impressive. I even used it in my DIY face masks and noticed my skin glowing. However, it's worth mentioning that you need to dilute it before applying directly to your skin to avoid irritation. The only downside? If you're looking for a quick fix, tea tree oil is more of a long-term commitment. But if you're serious about your hair health, this oil is a must-have. Why buy it? Because it's not just an oil. It's a multi-purpose beauty powerhouse that can easily fit into your daily routine.
Product number 2. Majestic Pure Essential Oil. Majestic Pure Essential Oil came highly recommended, and I was excited to test it out. This oil boasts 100% purity, which is crucial for anyone serious about essential oils. Right out of the bottle, the aroma is robust and refreshing, making it perfect for aromatherapy. But I wanted to focus on its hair benefits. I added a few drops to my conditioner and was pleasantly surprised by the results. My hair felt nourished and had an undeniable shine. The dropper included in the package is a game changer, allowing me to control how much I use without wastage. Plus, it pairs well with other essential oils, which opens up a world of possibilities for custom blends. One thing I appreciated is that it's tested for quality, so you know you're getting exactly what's advertised. My only critique? The price point is a bit higher than some competitors, but considering the quality, it felt worth it. Why buy it? If you want an oil that not only nourishes your hair, but also serves multiple purposes in your beauty regime, this one is a solid contender.
Product number 3. Fiora Naturals Tea Tree Oil. Fiora Naturals Tea Tree Oil caught my eye to its USDA certification and organic nature. The first time I opened it, the scent was invigorating, and I was eager to see how it would perform. I started applying it to my scalp and noticed an immediate cooling effect. After using it for a week, my scalp felt noticeably less itchy, and I could see a reduction in dandruff. This oil not only helped with my scalp, but also worked wonders on my skin. I diluted it for a facial treatment and was thrilled with how refreshed my skin looked afterward. One of the best parts was how it's packaged. The amber bottle protects the oil from sunlight, preserving its potency. A minor downside was that you have to be diligent about diluting it properly. Why buy it? It's a versatile oil that stands out for its purity and effectiveness, making it a worthy addition to anyone's skincare and hair care arsenal.
Product number 4. Tea Tree Hair and Body Moisturizer. The Tea Tree Hair and Body Moisturizer was a pleasant surprise for me. Initially, I thought it would just be another leave-in conditioner, but it turned out to be a hydrating powerhouse. I used it as a leave-in conditioner, and my hair felt incredibly soft and manageable. What I loved most was its dual function. I also applied it as a body lotion after a shower, and it left my skin feeling silky smooth. The formula absorbs quickly, so you don't feel greasy after applying it. It's perfect for all hair and skin types, which means it's a great option if you have family members with different needs. My only complaint was the scent. While it was pleasant, it was a bit strong for my taste. Why buy it? If you want a product that simplifies your routine while providing hydration for both your hair and skin, this is an excellent choice.
Product number 5. OGX Extra Strength Scalp Treatment. The OGX Extra Strength Refreshing Scalp Treatment was intriguing to me because I often deal with product buildup. This leave-in formula features rosemary oil and witch hazel, which sounded promising. Upon application, I felt an instant cooling sensation on my scalp, which was refreshing. I used it between washes, and it effectively lifted the buildup without stripping my hair of its natural oils. My hair looked shinier and felt lighter after each use. The precision applicator was a lifesaver. It allowed me to target specific areas on my scalp without making a mess. However, I found that using too much could lead to a slightly greasy feel, so less is definitely more here. Why buy it? If you're looking for a scalp treatment that effortlessly fits into your routine while delivering visible results, this one is worth a try.